see you again on our channel. Join me in exploring blind bags today. First, go to the nearest yellow box. Open along the console on this side. This seems to be ready-made. Oh, that's easy. Hello everyone, I'm Mustard. Which box do you want to choose? Try this box. What's the mystery of this box? Open like the first box. Look, I can open it here. Oh, this one seems harder than the first one. This character is injured. We have to do something. Yeah, I'm Devil. Thanks everyone. The box is left. I will choose this one. Do you know who this is? Come explore with me. Do you still remember how to open? This is really easy.
Haha, I'm Mr. Fun Computer.
Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now? Come on. Something is wrong. You are not safe. Run away.
Your turn to choose. Do you like this red box? Red, the color of luck. I'm GF Retake. You know me.
Left, right, left, right, up, down.
Only 2 boxes left. Choose the box with the couple first.
Hello, I'm Mr. Black.